Today we are learning how to change our control panel. It is easy to do. I am sure after this tutorial you will think the same way. First thing first, go to your Play Store or Palm Store and search for Center Control Easy. Search center.control. Download your preferred .app. Choose the language you understand. Firstly, enable Control Center and allow all permissions. Choose your orientation, width and height. Choose your color and alpha. Choose your background. I chose wallpaper. You can choose from your gallery or make it transparent. The choice is yours. Also, you choose whether you want a blur background. The red line above is where we access the iOS control panel. Yours may not be red depending on the color you selected. Let's check it out. Last but not least, the night shift and vibration. This is my end product. Was it not easy? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and share. Don't forget to like. Have a blessed day.